The Green Pulse 300 watt-hour power station, making power portable and easy for you. You have a splash guard right here that prevents dust and sand from getting in easily. Even though it splashes water, no problem. You open this up and you have a light right here. You turn on and off the light. You can have it flashing if you want to. This light just helps you see the plugs at night because you got so many options. You got DC right here, another DC 10 amp right there. You got two USB-A's, you got two USB-C's, you got your power input right here. You also got your power output right here. Two AC outputs with a long stay mode that lets you extend the output for longer periods of time for mini fridge or lower draining power devices, and so that they will last longer. This thing also has the ability to connect to your solar panel via the XT60 port right there, so you can charge it via solar panel. As you can see right here, you can charge it with the power adapter right here by plugging it into the wall. This one will charge by plugging it into the wall outlet using AC to charge it, and it takes about 2 hours to charge from 0 to 80%. Also, you have this option too. This is your DC from your car or your RV. You can also connect this to the same port right here and use this to charge via your car or RV. So there we go. This is the Green Pulse 300 watt-hour power bank solar generator that's actually very lightweight. It's only 6.85 pounds, and it's actually about 30% smaller than other power banks of this capacity. So I'm impressed how they're able to do that. And with all these outputs right here, you can do a lot of charging, and it's a nice thing to have with you on a camping trip and use solar power to charge it, or charge it via your RV, or when you get home, charge it via your AC right there. So that is the Green Pulse 300 watt-hour power station right here, the GP-330. Oh yeah.